The top court today will deliver its verdict on petition challenging the restrictions in Kashmir since the abrogation of Article 370. The internet has been shut for 160 days now, and top mainstream leaders, including 3 ex-chief ministers, are still under arrest. Now, let's go across to my colleague Nazir, who is joining us on the phone line. Nazir, it's been 160 days. What is expected as of today?
Nobody can guess what is expected, but people have been actually, waiting for a relief from the Supreme Court from day one. When there was a massive clampdown in Kashmir, there were physical restrictions, online restrictions. For example, as part of a massive clampdown, thousands of people were detained, curfew-like restrictions were imposed, or civil liberties were taken away. There has been no political activity has been allowed. In fact, Section 144 continued to remain in force, which means 4 people or more than 4 people cannot assemble at any place. No person, even a silent sit-in, was allowed for last 160 days in the valley. So most important is, when will internet shutdown be over, which is the world's longest internet shutdown, which the Kashmir has been subjected to. When will people be released who are under detention? Still around 1,200 people are under detention. Some of them are under preventive detention. For example, the political leaders, which 3 former chief ministers. A number of them have been sent to jails outside Kashmir. One of the detainees, in fact, died in a UP jail, and nobody knows what is the cause of his death, and no probe has been ordered for his death. So when all these things are happening, Supreme Court is now, delivering its judgment today, whether these things are right, whether they should be lifted. People are hoping that these restrictions are lifted and people are released. Internet is restored, because it is impacting everything in the life, in economy, even in healthcare. Everything has been impacted by the restrictions, particularly internet shutdown, and also detention of political leaders, ban on restrictions on political activities. So people have been hoping that there would be some relief from the Supreme Court.
Right. Nazir, also tell us about the envoys' visit in Kashmir.
Well, envoys have been here since yesterday morning, and they are in Jammu. Last evening, they met with the J&K's Lieutenant Governor, G.C. Murmu, dinner. He had hosted for them, discuss situation, discuss things here. Here in Srinagar, they first start their visit with their visit to Army's 15 Corps headquarters, where Army briefed them about the security situation and the threats emanating from Pakistan, infiltration, etc. Then there was an important meeting with the new political formation led by Altaf Bukhari, a former minister in PDP, which led to actually a huge upheaval in the PDP, and they expelled 8 leaders who participated in the meeting. And PDP actually is facing an existential threat, because the way people have been exiting the party, they are rebelling against the party. So Mehbooba Mufti, while in jail, she is facing huge rebel. Now today, this delegation, this envoys delegation, will be meeting civil society group in Jammu. Then in the afternoon, they would be, visiting a Kashmiri Pandit migrant camp. The people who have been, away from their homes, who are forced to leave their homes 30 years back, and even 30 years after, nobody knows when they can return to their homes. So these diplomats will be visiting a Kashmiri Pandit migrant camp in Jammu to see their situation, and also they will be told why they had to leave their homes and live away from their home for so long, for many generations, for last 30 years. But the purpose of this visit has been arranging this visit has to show, as the Home Minister of External Affairs spokesman Ravish Kumar clearly said, they want to show that things are almost normal in Kashmir, which there are. But the problem has been with the government, that it is still continuing with the restrictions, arrest of leaders, and other curbs in the valley. There has not been any freedom of political activities or the peaceful gatherings. So those are the things, and these envoys came here, saw themselves. In fact, they drive past the Lal Chowk also, which is the business district of Kashmir, and saw that things are not bad on the ground. But if you scratch the surface a bit, there is a problem. That's why the leaders are still in jail, internet is shut and Kashmir is facing world's longest internet shutdown.